Welcome to Wallace Woodworking, where the project begins with quality wood, skilled craftsmanship, and a passion for creating something built to last. Every piece starts with carefully selected lumber because exceptional craftsmanship begins with quality materials. Each project is carefully measured out, shaped, and assembled by hand with attention to every detail. Every design begins with a precision CNC carving. I complete each piece by hand to ensure it's a one-of-a-kind and built to last. From sanding and finishing to the final inspection, every piece receives the care and attention I'd expect from my own home. Your order is carefully packaged and shipped with the same attention to detail that goes into building it. It will arrive ready for you to enjoy or as a thoughtful gift. Thank you for visiting Wallace Woodworking LLC. I'm proud to create handcrafted wood products that bring warmth, character, and lasting quality to your home. I look forward to building something specially for you. I'm Harry Smith. I'm the owner of Wallace Woodworking LLC. I want to thank you for taking the time to look at our store, and I hope you find something to your liking.